In this video, you will learn how to allow callers to press 0 and be transferred to another phone number of your choosing when they reach your voicemail greeting in the Webex User Hub. Start by logging into the Webex User Hub. From the menu on the left, select Settings, then click Calling. Next, select Voicemail. In additional settings, toggle on Transfer on 0 to another phone number. Enter the phone number where calls should be transferred when a caller presses 0. When finished, click Save. Please note, if this feature is enabled, be sure to record a voicemail greeting that clearly instructs callers on how to use it. For example, you may want to inform callers that pressing 0 will transfer them to a specific phone number.